Looking for West Covina Concrete Contractor services? Concrete patios are attractive to homeowners looking for an outdoor space with endless design possibilities. Pouring concrete. Learn the 8 steps of pouring concrete. Concrete installation, placement and spreading. Concrete that is not sealed can absorb liquids easily because it's porous. This causes unsightly stains as well as freeze-and-thaw damage. Concrete that is exposed to weather and spills should be sealed. Epoxy is the best choice for garage floors or other areas with high traffic. It forms a durable and hard surface over concrete. For indoor flooring, epoxy, acrylic and polishes can be used. Outdoor surfaces will repel salt and water, so acrylic resin and reactive penetrating ceiling sealers should be used. Find a local concrete contractor to find the right solution. You can hire paving contractors to put a concrete driveway or asphalt driveway on your property, home or office. Paving contractors can repair or repave asphalt driveways that have been damaged due to weather, time or large loads. Ask for quotes from 3 or more driveway contractors. They should be in good standing with great reviews. You should ask them to visit your property and give you a quote detailing what work is involved, the materials required, the estimated length and the cost. Need West Covina Concrete Contractor services? You can hire paving contractors to put a concrete driveway or asphalt driveway on your property, home or office. Paving contractors can repair or repave asphalt driveways that have been damaged due to weather, time or large loads. Ask for quotes from 3 or more driveway contractors. They should be in good standing with great reviews. You should ask them to visit your property and give you a quote detailing what work is involved, the materials required, the estimated length and the cost. Your contractor will need to determine the location for your driveway. This will affect your costs. To lay a path, it is necessary to first excavate the ground. It involves removing all trees, shrubs and stumps. The driveway contractor then graded the site, creating a smooth surface for concrete and asphalt. A sub-base should be installed by driveway contractors. It can range from 4 to 8 inches in depth, depending on the soil type. Next, the asphalt or concrete can be laid and then smoothed. The driveway contractor will recommend the right sealant and tell you how long it should cure. Check out these tips to help you hire the right paving contractor on Thumbtack. West Covina Concrete Contractor are able to build concrete structures and foundations. The concrete contractors can manage every stage of the project, from framing and leveling the concrete mold to pour it into. The concrete's tensile strength is achieved by them cutting, attaching, and tying together the rebar. They then pour concrete into the container, and mix it with water to cure it. The concrete will be sealed to prevent air pockets. Contact a concrete contractor if you need their assistance with a particular project. West Covina Concrete Contractor. Your personal preference will determine the best concrete floor finish. A bold and varied appearance with lots of texture, an acid stain can be used. It also has the possibility to create natural stones and earthy tones. Although a water-based stain may not last as long, it offers many color options. Epoxy can be used in high-traffic areas such as kitchens, bathrooms and basements. Epoxy provides concrete floors with a non-slip, glossy and damage-resistant coating. Contact a concrete contractor in your area to determine which finish will work best on concrete floors. Concrete paint covers are usually opaque, and cover up concrete's color. It provides concrete with significant protection. A painted concrete floor can crack and become brittle if the paint is not applied correctly or is subject to excessive traffic. Find inspiration and find out all about concrete flooring's benefits, including its unlimited design possibilities and easy maintenance. Don't let drab, worn concrete get a facelift. This guide will give you an overview of all the different overlays and how they can be used to create decorative options. Looking for West Covina Concrete Contractor services. Many factors will affect the cost of your project. These prices will help you establish a budget. Get estimates from at least 3 different contractors to help you determine your budget. A small slab of concrete that does not need to be perfect can be done easily by DIYers. Sealing concrete, cleaning concrete are other tasks that homeowners can do themselves. If you require a large amount of concrete or special finishing, you should hire a specialist contractor to provide the best possible results. In many instances, concrete work will require special tools that may not be available to you. There are many options when it comes to concrete. It doesn't matter if you want new concrete pour or to repair old concrete, research is key before beginning any project. There are many options, from plain gray concrete to decorative concrete with texture and pattern. Concrete services are available in both residential and commercial settings. Learn more about these concrete services. Stamping concrete freshly laid can give you the look and cost-effectiveness of brick or stone pavement, but at a fraction of the price.